Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm going to unbox my first Speedy bag. It's actually Speedy 30. I really am excited unboxing this one because I actually exchanged just now this bag by giving it back, the Neverfull bag, which I bought like 6 days ago. I don't like Neverfulls for the following reasons. First of all, I actually really like crossbody bags instead of shoulder bags. Because for shoulder bags, it's either you put something inside, which is okay, completely nothing, and everything is flowing around without an organizer, or if you throw a lot of stuff, let's say a computer, a laptop, or maybe just a heavy jacket, then the bag is so heavy that you can feel like you're just torturing your shoulder. So I decided to give back the Neverfull bag because first of all, I'm not a person who is that organized, and I'm feeling also not secure with my bag so open and things may just flip around without a zipper. And secondly, because I feel like it's torturing my shoulder because of the heaviness of the bag. And thirdly, also it does not look so good. I think it looks more casual and without the sense of elegance, which I actually am not a very elegant person. However, I feel like somehow when I'm buying a designer bag, I more or less would expect something kind of, that is different from casual, because every day I can be casual by just wearing something sporty or pajama, but I don't want to be so casual also with some designer bag. Okay, so after explaining why I don't want Neverfull anymore, I would like to also talk about the thing that I feel like I'm so enthusiastic about Speedy bag. Actually, in the beginning was really never getting the idea why Speedy bag could be so popular and so trendy, and all this anecdotes about Audrey Hepburn having the Speedy 25, why it was so classic. I never got it until I recently noticed that on the streets there are a lot of young ladies actually carrying Speedy bags, and I see that they're really fitting to everything. A little bit of elegance, but also fits the casualty of the daily work, like not too much. And also, the most importantly, instead of Speedy 25, which was a really famous brand, which is a very famous model, I'm picking Speedy 30 because I have my daily need of carrying at least one water bottle with me somehow, and also sometimes I would like to throw something like a small notebook and whatever, some stuffs that are other than the keys and phones, because I want something slightly bigger. And so I'm now looking for something that also for daily needs more. Like I can put an umbrella, I can put some notebooks. I know that computers will not fit. However, I'm okay with that. That's why I also give up Neverfull, because I just think about myself, like if I really need to carry a laptop size stuff every day, the answer is actually no. So that's something I can give away, and that's why I choose Speedy 30. And now it's the exciting moment of unboxing. So this is the bag. So as usual, they give me some place where I can write something, but I don't really need to write anything because it's not a gift, it's just something I bought for myself. But in case it's a gift, you can always write something like to, dear, something like that, Okay, so now is the time. I'm always really surprised how they actually can, tie this kind of butterfly bun so well, because I never know how to do that. Okay, now is the tricky part. I think they tied something really tight here and I'm unable to open it. Okay, I managed to do it now. And by the way, today is actually what is called Halloween Day today. So I saw a lot of people wearing makeups today and on the streets, and also there are people asking for candies. And it's kind of snowy today. So, not necessarily foggy with a bit of rain today. Okay, so this is the bag. It does not look so glamorous, right? It's just like something that is folded more or less. Okay, but I'm really excited about it, and I can already imagine myself using this bag almost every day. Yeah, almost every day. Okay, so they're always folded like this. All I need to do is pull it back, and now I can zip it. And I have a little bag that will be used to save the clock whenever I don't need to use it. The same with Alma. Oh, and there's keys here. So different from Alma, where there is actually a place where you can, put the keys here. Actually, for the Speedy, the keys are separate from the back. And I have something that I think Alma Baby should have, but no, they don't have. It's actually adjustable bandolier. So it's adjustable strap where I can use it to, because I'm not very tall. I'm like 5'4", right? Like 162, like to be more precise. I'm 162 centimeters. So this strap in full three parts is a bit too long for me. Okay, let me put this back a bit better so that you will see the full picture. So this is the bag. It's kind of really sizable that I can almost put everything inside, including a water bottle and also keys and everything. And also when you unzip it, it's actually quite big, where you can put your hands and search for things without any problem. And I saw a lot of comments for Speedy 25 is actually an issue, that the opening is too small, so it scratches their hand a lot. So for this one, you don't have any issue with it. And I chose this kind of, what is the name of this pattern? It's not monogram, so it's actually called I forgot the word. So it's not monogram, and it's more classic one, and it looks good. I mean, some people may say that in summer the monogram would look more summer. This is more for winter. However, I don't think so. I think it's for every day. Definitely I'm gonna use it for a long time. So I chose this, the pattern of this bag is damier instead of monogram, and it is good because you don't have to worry about your wet hand or the oilness of your hand or of your skin, or the wetness of the hand, for example, or the weather. Simply it was rainy day and you forgot an umbrella, and this kind of water will not leave the stain on the on this leather part, so it's actually more user-friendly. So you can do whatever you want with this bag without worrying about the changing of the color. And some people may say that this does not fit for summertime. However, I don't really think so. I think it also goes well with summer. And also I would like to compare this one with the size. So this is my water bottle, which is a Japanese brand, which is really good because it's really light and it contains massive volume, like 600 milliliters. And still I can put this one into the bag without any issue. It fits and there's still a lot of space. And also this is a small A5 notebook. I can put it inside without any issue. And let's have a look on this A4 if it actually fits. I don't think so, but we can try. Okay, so this one does not fit. You will still have some space here. So it's not working. So, but anything else, it does fit. It's not fit because you have the zippers here, and it's actually limiting the actual openness, width of the opening. So if you're looking for something that is fit for something S size of this kind of, then probably you only have the choice of Neverfull. Maybe you can also try something like Montaigne, which is more expensive. And also you have something less expensive than Montaigne that is called Rivoli. You can also try that model. It also looks good, and also recently it's really popular with carry-all. Carry-all is also with more casualty, and the price is also is better than Montaigne. However, if I were having a better budget, I probably would consider for Montaigne because it also has some like metal feet here that will protect your bag from being damaged when you're trying to just be casual and put it on the floor. However, I'm really satisfied with this one, and so this does not fit for A4 notebook, and also for notepad, like laptop, is also not gonna fit. However, the rest of stuff, I think it can store the entire universe of a normal girl daily life. Yeah, and that's all all the things I want to share. Oh yeah, so here you will find something like a dust bag, as usual, nothing special. And also in this bag you'll find something similar to what everyone would get. So this is something like receipt and something else. And thank you for watching. Let's stay in tune. I'll come up with something new.